All right, family. Welcome back to the channel, man. Give y'all some before footage before I get this thing cleaned up, man. She is super filthy, man. Stay tuned for that. Like I was telling you in the intro, man, she's super dirty, man. Dirty. Fingerprints everywhere. I'm getting some work done too, so this video today, some of the work I've done. Get all that ride and break there as well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it tightened up real quick and I'll get back to you guys with a video real quick. Look at it, man. Give you that before look, man, so you'll know what she looking like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Today is a quick review of all the mods I've done to my 392 since I last posted a video. Been going ahead and handle some business, man. If you know, you know, man, but stay tuned for this video. All right, man. There she is, man. A little cleaner than she was. I post some before shots, man, but I did a little work to her since you last seen it. And I'll start with the obvious, man. I took the red 392 badge off and went with that right there, man. What you guys think? Side skirts. Yeah. Y'all already seen the purple spikes. They did a horrible job cleaning it, man. I'm gonna have to go wipe it down some more myself. But the purple spikes, front splitter. You know what I'm saying? They did a horrible job on that side rushing, man. Had to wipe it down myself, but that's what it is. You know what I mean? Again, that purple 392. Kind of give it a little stealthy look. On the back side, man, got the rear aprons on here. Y'all remember I got my purple tips. Put the little purple stuff on the rear diffuser. Had to go get a new centerpiece for the wicker bill, man. $70-something lesson, man. I actually like this one a little better. It's a little different. Shout out to ZL1 add-ons. So I've also did a little bit of work on the inside. Excuse me. Got the purple stuff right there. Got the purple stuff right there. Purple stuff right there. Yeah, man. Did the whole center console. Got those. The air vents, the doors, the rear doors, of course. Still got some more stuff I want to do. But it's a process, man. Real process, man. Real process, man. Excuse the junk back here. You see I did the back doors as well. But again, I just wanted to post a quick video. I haven't done nothing in a while. Give you guys a chance to get a real good look at it. Get a quick 360 before I finish up. Hey, bro. I'm telling you, man, it's coming along, man. Yeah, man. Loving that purple, man. You know. Also renamed her. This is Raven. Oh yeah, they did a terrible job. All the watermarks and stuff. I'm gonna have to go wipe her down again. But for the most part, man, there she is. Again, I'm trying to get back on to doing my videos, man. Bear with me. There's a lot of stuff going on with me. But to the next video, man, peace and blessings. I'm out.